Good evening viewers, welcome to my channel Census 2027 Learning Hub. So in this CMMS video series we'll make every concept simple and learn each module through step-by-step hands-on practice. Learn it, do it and master it. Let's get started. So in our last video I have explained how we can use the KML file using this menu. We can upload the KML file and then using that KML file we can demarcate the HLB. So today we will learn the last icon functionality, which is HLB overlap handler. So this functionality will help us to remove the overlapping between two HLBs that we have already demarcated, right? So I will explain it if our HLB are in progress also, or if they are completed also. In both the cases we can use this menu to do or fix the overlap within that HLB, right, between the two HLBs. So first what I will do, so this thing I have already explained in our last lectures. These legends, one is map view, another one is a layer list, right, third one is HLB creator. These are legends, right? These all I have already explained. And any place, if we are like say some area which are not known to us, in that case we can directly from here we can get the coordinates and we can paste it and get the necessary result, right? So now I will show how the overlapping will work, right? So first what I need to do, I need to go to here, go to this menu, and then these are some of the villages or words where I am getting the overlap, right? So let's say I am selecting this village with word number 0057. These are HLB numbers, right? These are HLB numbers and these are supervisor circle number. So I will go with the HLB number 0057. If I mark it and if I go to fix overlap, see, these are the three HLBs of this village, right? This village boundary is this, and within these village boundaries there are three HLB. First HLB is 0057, second is 0058, and third one is 0059. So in now I will show you how we can you can see that this portion is overlapped with this HLB. Similarly this portion is overlapped with this HLB, and these two HLBs are already, we have completed it, right? The status is completed, but this HLB will be in 0059 is in progress mode, right? So what we need to do, first we will remove this overlap, right? So for removing this overlap we have two options. One, we can use reshape, and another we can use redraw. So redraw is, first I will show redraw and then I will explain it in reshape, right? So let's say I will remove this overlapping portion from this HLB, right? For this overlapping portion, for that I will use the redraw first. Okay, first I will use the reshape. Let's say I am using the reshape. So what we need to do, we need to remove this part from this HLB, means this extra part from 0057. For that I need to click outside that HLB and then I need to click inside, right? In this way. See, after that if we save it, see, the overlapping has been removed. So you got it now. So there was the overlapping, there is no such overlapping right now. This is separate HLB, this is separate HLB. Now we will see in this HLB where the overlapping is there. This is the overlapping portion, right? So what we will do, we'll again go to which one, 0059. So I will click on 0059. See, we'll go to fix overlap. Okay, now you can see that this portion is extra in this HLB. We need to remove it, right? We'll demarcate it like this, so that this portion which is already occupied by this HLBs will be removed from this HLB, right? So For removing this reshape option, I have already explained in my reshape option I have already explained in this HLB. Now I will show you how we can use the redraw option, right? So we will go to the redraw, and then what we'll do, we will redraw the correct HLB in this way, this way, this way. We will not include the extended portion, right? So we redrawing the corrected HLB. See, I think it is clear now. And then double click it. See, this portion was extra in this HLBs. This will be removed after we save it, right? Now we will completed it and we'll save it. Perfect. So this is not because this is due to server. Sometimes due to server it is not server issues. The changes don't get reflect. So we'll again do it. Okay. We'll go to overlapping and 0059, right? See, so what we'll do, we'll go to the fix overlap and we'll redraw it again. Anything may be the reason. Okay, 0059. Okay, get that here. Okay, so I hope this time it will work. Let's check it. Yes, this time it worked. So sometimes there is some server issue, then we need to reload the portal and then again do the same operations. So here I have explained how we have resized it, right? And in these examples I have shown you how we have removed the overlapping using the redraw. This is how we can use this functionality of reshape and redraw. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching this video, and hope this video will be beneficial for you in this forthcoming census 2027. For more step-by-step census CMMS practical videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming session. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.